Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, where we bring you the latest in performance, innovation, and two-wheel excitement. Today, we're spotlighting the legendary Supersport REBORN, the 2026 Yamaha R1. This latest iteration of Yamaha's iconic leader bike pushes technology, design, and speed to the next level. Design sharper and more aerodynamic. The 2026 R1 receives a complete visual overhaul, with aggressive new bodywork inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP race bikes. Sharper lines, revised winglets, and a more compact tail section contribute to improved aerodynamics and better high-speed stability. New LED lighting and an updated color palette, including the eye-catching Phantom Blue, make it unmistakable on the street or track. Engine and performance, refined power. Underneath the fairings, the heart of the R1 is still the signature 998 cubic centimeters Crossplane inline-4, but it's been tweaked for even more mid-range torque and throttle precision. Lighter internals, revised valve timing, and a more efficient exhaust system push performance further, while still meeting Euro 6 emissions standards. The engine note remains raw and unmistakably R1. Electronics, next-level control. Yamaha's already advanced electronics suite gets even better in 2026. The updated 6-axis IMU manages refined traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, and slide control. The new high-resolution TFT display allows quick adjustments to ride modes, suspension settings, and track focus data, all accessible with a redesigned handlebar controller. Chassis and suspension precision-tuned. The aluminum delta box frame has been stiffened for better cornering feedback. Yamaha's electronically controlled semi-active suspension now features faster response times and customizable profiles for road or track. Braking is handled by high-performance Brembo Stylema calipers paired with dual 320mm discs for confident stopping power. Conclusion: the R1 legacy lives on. The 2026 Yamaha R1 isn't just a facelift, it's a refined, race-ready machine built for those who demand peak performance and precision. With its advanced electronics, updated power delivery, and cutting-edge design, it's clear the R1 remains a benchmark in the superbike world. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Reviews Pro. Ride safe, ride smart, and keep chasing the red line.